When we first started camping and camping with Clarence was invented, we had a pop-up. And that's how we found out that we were going to absolutely love this life. And so we took it out several times and then decided we're going to need something else, just a little bit bigger and something that we don't have to manually pop up all the time. So introducing Clarence 2.0. We bought him back in February, and I don't think that we have ever given you a proper tour of Clarence. And if you don't know, we named him Clarence because of the movie It's a Wonderful Life. And Clarence is the guardian angel. And he reminds George Bailey that no man is a failure as long as he has friends. And we're so thankful for each and every one of you guys. Hey, if you're watching, click that subscribe button, follow, share. We would love to grow our community. Thanks so much. I don't know if we have ever showed our subscribers and our followers how cute Clarence really is. But he is precious. So here is our bed, and I have it set up like it's a north-south because that's what I'm like praying every day that God will turn it into. But it's not. It's an east-west. And down there is just like everything that I need, you know, like your potions at night and all that good stuff. That's in that bag. But we got the bedding at Natural Life, and I wanted it to be real boho chic in here. Up here, I keep my books that I read and his hats and an extra, well, I actually need to wash that because I'm not sure what got on it, but an extra pillow. We are at the Madison Resort and Golf Course, and they gave us this cute little bag. I love a tote. Don't we all love a tote? And here is our closet. And we always keep it ready to go. That's one thing I really don't have to pack too much of. I have his t-shirts, my sweatshirts, a couple pair of jeans, and our shoes down here. And then over here is our kitchen area. And one thing I haven't taken down here yet, is I have this change holder and paper towel holder that goes there. We have our Keurig koozies and all of our plates up here. There's my pajamas I just unpacked. It's not fresh in there. Why is it not fresh in there? Put one of those things in it? Yes, I did. This is our oven, and I use it to store our utensils that we need for cooking. We have an air purifier that Craig just turned on. And over here, so this is where all of our clothes go, are in these cute little ottomans that I got from Amazon. And I bought the smallest ones because I didn't know what size we needed, but we know now that we need a bigger size. And then that's our laundry hamper. We took out the dinette and we brought in this chair that we got in Valdosta. That rug is from Natural Life. There's our couch, another one of the ottomans. I got the blanket is a Natural Life dupe that I'll actually post in the descriptions. It feels and looks just like it's from Natural Life, but it's a lot less expensive. Kaylee got me that pillow for my birthday to put in here, which I think is so cute. Craig's clothes are in that ottoman. And then we have our pantry, which I love. So it's huge. So it goes all the way down. Has everything that we need. Up here is just a catch-all space, really. It's our Ziploc bags, our garbage bags. And I know that you hear that air conditioner going, and I'm sorry, but we're in the South and we need the air. And then we have the Norcold freezer. And it will run off of propane when we're not using it. Our fridge or electric. And it's pretty good size. Like, we have not needed anything different. Our beach bag. And then we have our bathroom and a bazillion towels. And there's me. Hi. And then our shower curtain. In our shower. And there's the caddy that Craig hates, but I love it. Has everything that I need right there. So that is Clarence.
What do I hate?
You hate that caddy.
It's because you leave it in the tub.
Well, where else is it supposed to
When I'm
be?
in the tub, I'm a big boy. When I get in that shower, I don't need no impedance in the floor of that shower.
Baby, it is so convenient.
No, for you, it's awful. For me,
Can I tell y'all the favorite part besides my mattress in this whole camper? Do you know what it is, Craig?
the hanging rack. Absolutely.
It is. It's this hanging rack, y'all. I could put so much stuff on it and do. And then there's our little vacuum right there too, and our leveler. But yes, I love this. So if you have a camper, it is a must because you could put so much stuff on it. What do you need? It's in my purse. Here's
Confiscated my phone, y'all, and she won't give it back.
I always
And I'm
have.
trying to listen to the music.
I always have it. One thing I left out, besides our air conditioner that you can hear, is our TV. And then we have all this storage up here too. Everything that we need is in there. If you have a junk drawer at home, that's our junk drawer. And then our decorations are in there. And then for movie night, this is why we're looking for a different Clarence. Is because I have to move this chair right here. Like, bring it around here. And Craig has to lay on this couch, which is the most uncomfortable couch that God ever made. But it's brand new. It still has the tags on it because the lady we bought it from bought it brand new. And then I have to, I had my spine fused in December, so I have to hope my neck stays in one piece while I look up at this TV from down here. No fun whatsoever. Oh, and let me show you our rugs. Y'all, they feel like butter when you walk on them, but they're from Natural Life too. I need to get some things to make them be still because we have slipped and slided on these things. And this rug is from Natural Life also. This caddy is one of my favorite things ever because I can put everything that I need right beside my bed. And so I'm going to put my book that I'm reading right now. I'm reading Let Them. And I'll let you guys know how that is.